Hey my galore babes, and welcome back to my channel where it's not your booty, it is your beauty. We still up on it. So in today's video I will be doing a Suave review and just a little explanation of where I've been. You know, it seems like inconsistency is my thing. I definitely will put a timestamp on the screen, so if you just want to jump to the review you can, but I just want to explain to y'all, like, right now I've been living in a, come on now, focus camera. Wow. Okay, so y'all, right now I've been living in a hotel for a week. I just been doing the back forth, but, and then also my hard drive, anywho, you know, I'll replay the clip. You know, my hard drive died on me. Okay, so we don't have time for that. So now I'm trying to find my passion. Well, it hasn't really left. I always have like YouTube ideas, but like after that I just was like, okay, so where do I start now? But I want to make sure, like, when I get on camera that I'm like enthusiastic, I'm like full of life. I don't want to be on the camera like, you know, like in the eyes of, we don't have time for that. So I have the energy and the time, because I'm about to take out my hair. If you will see, I'll insert a little picture, and I've been wearing my little curly bob, or my little curliness, and it's time to take it out. And I'm so frustrated walking around looking like a bum. Sis, you see all this black on my head, baby, a baby girl. So yeah, y'all, have my hair in braids. I'm gonna take my braids out. I wish I had time to like talk to y'all, like do like a chit chat of like today's, look how I look, y'all, today's hottest topics, but I don't have no camera space and I don't want to run out of space filming this review. So I would definitely sit down and like do like a little talking video so y'all can see more of my personality. But this video is already long or whatever, so I'm sorry if you actually wanted to sit through this. But y'all, I'm gonna take down my braids, and then I brought the Suave shampoo, conditioner, and curling cream, and hopefully it will be included in the clip. I don't know what I actually have saved on my computer, so sorry if I am repeating myself of the things that I did buy. But if I didn't include certain things, I will definitely do a moment where I do a voiceover to give you guys more detail. But this will be my second time filming this review, so it's gonna be broken up into two parts. This part I have to refilm again because this is where my hard drive died, but before I already had filmed my like final thoughts and review about it. But I'm using, this will be my second time, so I'm definitely gonna give more of my opinion. But anywho, I'll let you know, like you guys will see the video once you see what I'm talking about. So I won't run on too longer. I'm going to take out my hair. I am going to deep condition my hair because I also deep conditioned my hair last time, y'all, but this is, it's dry, it's crusty, musty, dusty, rusty. So I'm going to shampoo, I'm going to shampoo, deep condition my hair, and put the curling cream in, and we're going to see what it do. So y'all, I'm sorry for the rambling. And thank you for supporting me, because inconsistencies, that seems like what we do. But y'all, hopefully, you know what, not hopefully, I will, during my birthday, dedicate a whole week. It's gonna be galore takeover week, basically jacking from Catherine Bedell on here, because she does Cattober. I'm gonna do galore takeover week where I upload for an entire week videos for the fun. So I'm really gonna try to do that. I've been trying to do that on my channel for the I've been trying to do that on my channel for the longest. So hopefully this November I can actually do galore takeover week on YouTube. And so y'all, let's get right into this video. Anywho, y'all, so I just finished washing my hair, and right now I have the deep conditioner sitting in. Once again, I also did notice that the shampoo does not lather up, and I really don't like that. Like, I like a shampoo that lathers up. I feel like it's cleaning. With that one, doesn't lather up, and I keep adding more shampoo, even though I hate to do that. So I'm gonna let my deep conditioner sit on my head for a little while, and then I'm gonna come back with the conditioner and show you what the conditioner like, and get into styling the hair. Okay, all right, y'all, so I finished doing my hair, and what I noticed with this time, I wanted to say that in my first initial review I really thought the curling cream like defined my curl more than normal, but this time I don't see it. But I'm not going to speak too soon. I'm going to see what happens tomorrow, because when I first used it I felt like my curls like lasted like way longer, and it was less frizzy even on the second day after I had slept on it. So I'm gonna see what happens with this. is the finished product of my hair. This is what it's looking like. This is what it's giving. So I just wanted y'all to see, and then when I finally look through this video and edit, I'll let you guys know how it held up. I just have a little clip with this. So I just used the curling cream and some grease on my hair. That's all I use. So let me give y'all the continuation of this video. Anywho, y'all, so I know I'm back with my natural hair. Okay, so y'all, I know for this review I have on a wig. I'm not even in my natural hair, but I did want to come back and give my final thoughts on these Suave products. So I'm so mad I couldn't really do my research, but I do have my notebook in my hands, so I'm reading off that. Just right off the dome, I wanted to do my research to see if I was getting more product compared to my other natural products like Shea Moisture or Maui. And I do have a Maui thing in there right now, and I do have another jar product. I typically buy jar products because now that since I am learning about my natural hair, cream products are definitely more better for my hair texture. But off gate, Suave is offering more, and I did look at a conditioner and a shampoo I have in there. They offer probably like for the shampoo, it was at a 488 milliliters compared to my other conditioner I may have, which is a 400 milliliters. So there is a difference. So for those who are looking for longevity of the product, I think that is a win-win for me, just because if you do have natural hair, you know you run through conditioner really, like you gonna run through conditioner compared to the shampoo. So I felt like that was a more win for your buck. When it comes to the pricing, I am going to go out on a limb and say probably Suave is on the more affordable side compared to like Shea Moisture, Diva Curl, what's Carol's Daughter. I'm going to say it is more oh shoot, I am going to say it is more affordable, because when I went to Family Dollar, their products were probably like $5.75, but they didn't have the entire line. That was another problem. And that was another problem with this. I know it's a freshly new product, but I literally couldn't find this product nowhere. Only Family Dollar had it, and it only had the shampoo and conditioner. Couldn't find it at Walgreens, and it's surprised me that one at Walgreens. It wasn't at Target. Out of all places, it was not at Target, and that's pretty much the only places I go. And we didn't even check Walmart. I don't think I checked Walmart. The only places that had the Suave products in my area, I live in the Miami, Florida area, was CVS. Out of all places, CVS had the entire line. I did not get the conditioner cream because it looked like somebody had returned it. It was like dust, like the circle, like the ridges in it. It was so disgusting. Like, looked like somebody had already used it and just put it back on the shelf. So I did not get that. But yes, I did want to say I didn't really care for the shampoo, even though I don't use shampoo on my hair a lot. I like my shampoo to lather up within one rinse. Like, I'm putting a pump, okay, a pump. I'm putting like 8 pumps in my hand, putting it in the front, putting it in the back. And for it to not lather up, like that, that kind of really bothered me, because I know I have another product in there and it doesn't take much for that shampoo to start lathering up. So I kind of didn't like that, because I had to put a lot of shampoo in my hair, and my hair was drenched, and I couldn't understand why it wasn't lathering up, because, you know, I'm like, dang, do I need more water? But my hair was fully soaked, and it did take a while for it to lather up. I did not like that. And then when it came to the conditioner was bomb. And it could have been because I used my peppermint oil, but I really felt like it was like penetrating my scalp and really like nourishing it. And then when it came to their conditioning, the curl conditioning cream, the one thing I can say, I really did see an improvement in my curls. My curls have never been that coily for so long, even after I slept on it, because with those products that I use, I'm doing a half up, half down. I just put my hair in like a little natural bun and added like another piece to it, and the curls in the back kept its coiliness, and that usually never happens. Once I wash my hair and go to sleep on it, the next day after wash day, my curls will be kind of gone, just because of frizz and just because how I was sleeping, but my curls actually stayed intact, and that blew me away. So it's definitely a win when it comes to their conditioning cream. But the shampoo I really didn't care for, and the conditioner definitely did work, but it could have been because I deep conditioned my hair. But I definitely will try it again. You guys let me know if you what did you think about this? Did y'all try it out? Do y'all know where I can find it other than CVS? Because I do know it is more products in this line. And did you guys want me to try another hold on, y'all, somebody not alone. Mom.
Damn.
Baby gal.
I know you're not sick. Put your chocolate tail and hit a damn gas bomb.
So you guys, please let me know what type of products you want me to try out, because I did see Head and Shoulders has like a natural line coming out. So, or it should already be out. I think Head and Shoulders and Pantene, if I'm not mistaken. But y'all let me know if you guys like this, and please stay tuned, because I will be doing a natural hair tutorial. I want to do a They is so rude. I really want to take what? I really want to do a cash doll ponytail, but I'm sick of people showing me how to do a cash doll ponytail, but it don't be on natural hair. So I'm really trying to help y'all out, because I really want to do that cash doll ponytail, but how my natural hair texture would be. So y'all let me know. Stay tuned for that. And yeah, y'all let me know. I'm trying to spruce it up. You know, I'm coming with these different content, y'all. I feel like, anywho, but yeah, I'm coming with this different content, y'all stay tuned. I might do I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do an AliExpress haul, y'all, but I don't know, you know, I don't know. But y'all let me know if you tried it and what was your experience with it. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, because YouTube is acting fugazi. Y'all subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, because YouTube will not be sending you notifications when I post. We need to run these views up, okay, baby? Because you know this is Galore Beauty, where is your beauty and not your booty, okay? So I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.